Here comes the goats. Let's say hi to these kids real quick. Even though they're probably gonna nip me and chew on me. Say hi. Hi.
My goat.
Your goats. I'm being nipped. And there's chickens. Here, help John. Help with this chaos. Hi guys. She's like, hi guys. Guys, it's Sally. All right, let's go walk around in the new. Don't peck my ring. This chicken always pecks my ring. I know it's shiny and it's pretty. All right, let's go. So your dad extended the chicken area. That's rather nice. Put a little gate on it too. So now we have gates for all entrances. And he's building a bigger chicken house, a chicken coop. We're repurposing some stuff because we're gonna get a couple more chickens. We're probably gonna get 12 more chickens, which will bring our count up to 25 total chickens. Because we might sell some chicken eggs occasionally at the farmer's market. Here you go, Aubrey. There you go. Oh, and your goats will be over here shortly. You're okay. Just walk around. You're okay. Walk, walk, walk. Oh, yeah. Oh. Alright, there's a cute little gate right there. Keeps the goats out of the hen house. And there's the slowly putting this together, but what Alexa's climbing on is their perch.
It's not, it's loose. That'll fall. It's not tight on you.
Oh, look, Aubrey's trying to feed the chickens.
Chicken.
You go feed them? So I am very confused right now. Catch us down, 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 down. No, give it to Sally. Say hi, Sally. Hi, Sally. Like this. Aubrey, look, watch. Sally wants you to leave. Say hi, Sally. Say good girl. She's trying to eat out of your hand.
No.
Well, give her one, ma'am. Here you go. You give her a leaf. She wants a leaf. Give it to Sally. Well, you don't be too picky, ma'am. Here you go. You're much too picky. She just wants to eat it. Peace, she says. It's a piece, she says. I don't understand this. We'll show her your hand. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Go feed her. Give her the whole bushel. Here, watch this. Watch, Aubrey. Sally. Watch, I'm gonna give her a whole bushel like this. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Look, Aubrey. She ate the whole bushel. See? Look at that. See? You should give her the whole bushel. There you go. She insists on doing one leaf at a time. Stick it through the hole. Stick it through the hole. In the fence.
Me.
Alexa and Ethan, please get out of there.